Are you looking for a stylish 4K camera that's affordable and perfect for vlogging? Let me show you something special. This is a 64 megapixel 4K vintage style camera with an 18x digital zoom and a 180-degree flip screen. Yes, you can record yourself easily for YouTube, travel, or daily memories. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can instantly transfer your photos and videos to your phone. The original price was higher, but right now it's available at a discounted deal on AliExpress. Over 700 people have already bought it, and most reviews say it's easy to use, beautiful in design, and great value for money. Some users even said it's perfect for beginners who want to start content creation without spending hundreds of dollars. If you want to order, check the first comment of this video. The link is there. Don't miss this limited deal. Start capturing your life in stunning 4K today. And please share this video with your friends who love photography and vlogging. This video features product images and information provided by the brand for promotional and affiliate purposes. As an official AliExpress affiliate, I may earn a small commission from qualifying purchases made through the links in the comments, at no extra cost to you. All visual materials belong to their respective owners and are used here to provide helpful information to shoppers. To place your order, check the first comment. The link is right there. This is a powerful 4K mini body camera. Compact, smart, and professional. Before, the original price was 236 Czech koruna, but now you can get it for only 122 Czech koruna. It records in 4K, 2K, and full HD 1080p resolution. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect instantly and monitor in real time. Up to 8 hours recording, plus powerful infrared night vision. Supports micro SD up to 128 gigabytes. Lightweight, easy to clip anywhere. Don't miss this deal. Order now from AliExpress. Link in the first comment.